Since 2011, the American company Jetovator has been operating in an interesting field. They manufacture equipment designed for flying over water. The process is simple. Connect a hose to a jet ski and provide water to the Jetovator. The company asserts that mastering their equipment takes just 20 minutes, involving the task of correctly tilting the water jets. Moreover, they thrilled Star Wars fans by unveiling a craft resembling a speeder bike. This innovation allows riders to ascend to heights of up to 9 meters, and experienced riders can reach speeds of up to 40 km per hour. Adobe doesn't just create great software, they also try their hand in fashion with a project they called Project Primrose. This unique clothing line by the American tech giant takes the internet dress debate to a new level. Project Primrose introduces flexible textile displays, allowing wearers to change the dress pattern with a button press or by moving. The patterns are animated, and while Adobe hasn't disclosed the release date, the dresses currently come in 2 colors, white and silver. The remarkable feature of these dresses is their interactive design, giving users control over their appearance through simple actions. The company behind this electric scooter believes it's perfect for urban life. The American scooter, P1, stands out as a completely new creation, boasting the title of the fastest in its class. Built from scratch, it offers a top speed of 88.5 km per hour and a range of approximately 97 km per hour on a single charge. Charging is hassle-free, requiring a simple plug into a regular socket. What makes it even more appealing is its unique feature of interchangeable panels. You can easily switch out the trunk panel for a speaker panel, allowing you to cruise with music. P1 comes with various benefits, making it an attractive choice for riders. If you're interested, you can pre-order this innovative scooter for $10,000. Unitsky String Technologies has been making significant progress in the transportation sector. It offers an innovative transportation solution with their patented pre-stressed track structure. This technology is transforming transportation economics by providing a cost-effective alternative. Building a kilometer of this system costs around $1 million, making it nearly 5 times cheaper than traditional roads and railroads. Despite its affordability, the system can efficiently transport up to 50,000 people per hour on a single line, operating at speeds of approximately 150 km per hour. Additionally, it is versatile enough to carry cargo at about half the cost of traditional railroads. Notably, Unitsky String Technologies is headquartered in Belarus. Can you match the speed of an electric skateboard with a regular one? You sure can, thanks to Kickstick. Created by the US-based Rise Robotics team